Hello everyone, welcome to Mayu Catering Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make delicious chicken and vegetable sauce. These ingredients you need: onions, green beans, bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, and spices: Maggi, vegetable bouillon, adobo, and chili pepper. Oil, ginger and garlic paste, and your chicken fillet. And cornstarch, you can use cornflour, and soy sauce, and black pepper, Adobo, Chilli Powder, minced chicken season. If you have any spices, you can use it. Please, let's start. Add Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Adobo, and 1 tablespoon of minced chicken season, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and you mix it. And you cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. And start cutting all your vegetables. A big thanks to my old subscribers, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there when you finish watching. Please, I'm Facebook, so you can follow me there too, Mayu Catering Service. And you can follow me on Instagram. And see how I cut the vegetables. You should do the same. Put water on fire. We are going to blanch the broccoli, and you add a pinch of salt to it. Add the broccoli. After 2 minutes, remove it. Put the fry pan or saucepan on fire. Add some more oil. Add the chicken, and you stir it. You mix it, and don't leave it, otherwise it will burn. You see how it's supposed to look? Yeah, that's very good. You can see some golden brown color inside. Remove it and put it aside. Add the rest of the oil. Add the onions, carrots, and green beans. Add the rest of the ginger and garlic paste to it. And you add your spices: vegetables bouillon, Maggi, adobo, and chili pepper. Now you can add your bell peppers. Add some more water. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there on my YouTube channel. If you see the water is too small, you can add small to it. Yeah, because maybe the food you are going to use, you need the liquid too much, so add small water to it. And you add your chicken to it, and broccoli you add also to it. You add your soy sauce, and you stir it. And this soy sauce and water, because I don't want to do that, why I use the soy sauce. I use small water to wash inside. Yeah. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Please don't let it be overcooked, so load the fire small. And you mix the cornstarch with water, small water, not too much, small one. You mix it until combined. But you can use cornflour if you don't have cornstarch. And you add to it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there on my YouTube channel. Please, after 2 to 3 minutes, it's ready to serve. You can eat with rice, potato, or anything you prefer to eat with. This sauce is very good and is healthy. Thanks for watching Mayu Catering Services.